I had a student question that was about when to pick and how to pick raspberry leaf. Raspberry leaf is such a good, nutritious staple of any ongoing tonifying and strengthening program, particularly nice for women, but I think it's good for everybody. The question was, how do you pick raspberry leaves and still have berries? So here's a good example of different stages of raspberry production. Here's some flowers and an ant. So there's beginning berries, some further along berries. And this one, this is really, I think, according to my teaching, an ideal time. So this is like very nice, full leaves, no berries yet, because my teaching was the energy of the plant goes up into the berries. So that's when you wait and have berries. But before that is an ideal time for leaf picking. Personally, I think they don't care that much. It's good as long as they look nice and fresh. So I usually don't pick right at the growing tip, but just like one, maybe from a stalk like that. And here's another one that's really nice. One from a stalk here. And that way you're only taking like maybe 10% of a growing cane, and kind of a general 10% eyeball rule for the whole patch. Like if you have a long stretch of black caps, which is a black raspberry, those leaves are smaller, but they're just as good in terms of nutrient content. They tend to be really pretty good iron source. So as you can see, you would get your basket or tray and just pick one, one good size leaf from a cane, especially when they're newer and they don't have that many leaves on them to begin with. And next we'll talk about harvesting some other sorts of leaves, flowers, and then how do you dry them and how do you make stuff out of them.